Today's January 29th, 2019. We're here with Patrick, who comes to us from Oregon. And Patrick has had a lot of ozone injections from me. Would you want to tell the viewer what you were experiencing and what you had?
Okay, it started out years ago with my knees. Walking down a hill would go bad. Then riding a horse, my knees would hurt bad. First the right one, then a year later the left one. As soon as I get off, be fine. Then I start walking, and all of a sudden, even walking uphill or downhill, both my knees would basically go out. And both my elbows had tendonitis. My shoulders, I couldn't do any exercises with them. And after just a few injections, they've all been cured. I mean,
all of this?
All of them have been cured. And that's years ago.
And they're still fixed to this day?
They're fixed to this day. I'm here now because of my hips hurting, but that's something different.
Right. So, we evaluated you and we found it's not your hip joint. It's probably what's called a bursa, the deltoid bursa. So we treated that today. So thank you very much for this. So your knees got better?
Completely.
Your shoulders?
My shoulders, my elbows, all of it got better. Scary.
Thank you. With shooting ozone into them.
Well, yeah, the ozone.
May I post this on YouTube?
You sure can.
Thank you very much.